Okay, status report. 2 Nortons in the shop, that's all. Got room for more bikes. This is the older Norton, and waiting on the timing cover from AMR. They shipped it yesterday, so I should be getting it in the next day or so. So that's, as soon as I get that, I'll be able to put that together and time it and start it and see what happens. This bike is the 75, and I got the head back from the machinist. It's here, all cleaned up, spiffy, ready to go. New valve guide and new valve. The other valves were seated, so they look good. And let's see what this looks like underneath. Oh, very nice. Okay. So, bits and pieces that go back together to make it a whole bike. And Kevin's going to come down tomorrow morning about 8 o'clock or so, and we will start putting this together. So, we're on the verge of actually accomplishing something.